Cucumber. Soil and cultivation. The soil should retain moisture well. The soil should be deep but not too wet. During the growth of cucumbers, regular watering should be done. If the watering is irregular and the plant needs water, then the cucumbers will taste bitter. Pruning. If the foliage is dense, remove part of the foliage, starting from the bottom, from the old and damaged leaves. This pruning is done to ensure good ventilation of the plants and to reduce humidity. Proliferation. Propagated by seed. Sowing must be done from February, at a temperature of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius at sowing. It is sown at a depth of 2 to 2.5 centimeters, putting 1 to 2 seeds per pot. The seed will germinate in a week if we have good weather. Regular watering is done until all the plants grow and produce a cucumber or two. Watering is necessary for the hot months of July to August. Harvesting and maintenance. The cucumbers are collected every 2 to 3 days. When they reach the appropriate size, 30 to 35 centimeters. The most basic ripening criteria are A. The size, which we mentioned, and B. The skin of the cucumber that becomes smooth. The cucumber takes 35 to 40 days from the day the fruit sets to the day it ripens. The ideal storage temperature for cucumbers is 12 to 13 degrees Celsius. Enemies and diseases. Downy mildew, powdery mildew, aphids. All these pests that attack the cucumber are currently treated with existing medicines. Behavior in a container. It does not present a problem in a 30 cm planter with a reed. Species and varieties. Some of the many varieties of cucumbers are Legena Rue, Marketer, Raider F1, Jazzer F1, and White Wonder. Use as medicine. Cucumber is diuretic, refreshing, and quenches thirst. Cucumbers are a staple in many diets. Cucumber juice helps the skin, as well as the skin of the cucumber, contributes quite a bit to better skin. Use as food. We can eat the cucumber raw, and fresh in salads. Thank you for your time. I hope to see you the next time. Bye.